Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I am Akash Dalvi, a construction management consultant, and in this video we'll delve into the factors that affect construction cost and explore strategies for their optimization. So construction cost can vary significantly based on several key factors. Understanding these factors and implementing optimization strategies can help you achieve cost-effective construction projects. So let's dive in. So the first factor is location and site condition. The location and site conditions are crucial factors affecting construction cost. Factors such as accessibility, availability of utilities, soil conditions, and environmental considerations can significantly impact the overall project cost. It's essential to assess these factors during the initial stages of project planning to identify potential challenges and implement cost-saving measures. Now, the second factor is design and engineering. The design and engineering phase plays a vital role in construction cost optimization. Collaborating with architects and engineers who specialize in cost-effective designs can help streamline the project. Factors such as efficient space utilization, simplified structural systems, and appropriate material selection can contribute to significant cost savings without compromising quality. The third factor is material selection and procurement. Material selection and procurement are critical aspects of cost optimization. Conducting thorough research and analyzing to identify cost-effective materials without compromising quality is the key. Additionally, exploring alternative suppliers, negotiating favorable contracts, and implementing just-in-time procurement strategies can help reduce material cost and minimize waste. Now, the fourth factor is labor and workforce management. Labor costs account for a significant portion of construction expenses. Optimizing labor utilization, ensuring proper workforce management, and implementing efficient scheduling techniques are essential for cost control. Strategies such as skillful labor allocation, training programs, and effective communication can enhance productivity and reduce labor-related expenses. Next factor is project planning and management. Effective project planning and management are crucial for cost optimization. Developing a detailed project plan, setting realistic timelines, and closely monitoring progress can help identify potential delays or cost overruns. Employing project management software, conducting regular cost audits, and fostering collaboration among stakeholders can contribute to successful cost optimization. Now, another factor is risk management and contingency planning. Construction projects are susceptible to various risks that can impact cost. Implementing robust risk management strategies and contingency plans can help mitigate unforeseen circumstances and associated expenses. Identifying potential risks, conducting risk assessment, and having contingency budgets in place can protect the project's financial viability. Now, in conclusion, understanding the factors that affect construction cost and implementing effective optimization strategies are crucial for successful projects. By considering location and site conditions, emphasizing efficient design and engineering, optimizing material selection and procurement, managing labor and workforce effectively, practicing sound project planning and management, and integrating risk management and contingency planning, you can achieve cost-effective construction projects. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found these insights valuable. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such tips and advice. Stay tuned for my next video.